Hello, I'm talking to you today from my roof terrace. I'm in the middle of Armenia, in Colombia, on a roof terrace that I built on top of the roof of my apartment. I asked for permission, of course, but this is completely normal in Europe, specifically in England in my case. Do it yourself. When we do things ourselves, we make things, is really extremely popular. Everybody has tools. They have every tool, they have every machine possible, and on Sundays, evenings, we just make things, we fix things. We are pretty obsessed with showing the world what we can do in our house. So we don't, if something breaks, we don't phone somebody, we don't call a carpenter or somebody to fix it or to build. We do it ourselves. Give you an example. I think you have like Home Center here. We have similar places to Home Center. They do 50% of their business on a Sunday morning. 50%. That means people wake up on a Sunday morning and what they want to do is make something, fix something, make something better. That's our hobby. That's a hobby. Fixing things, painting things. I look at houses here. I'm always surprised. There are houses, there's no colour, there's no paint. They just make the house and it's the colour of cement. It's 30,000 pesos, a pot of paint, a brush. Paint your house. Make your house look pretty. Be proud of your house. There's an expression, an Englishman's home is his castle. An Englishman's home is his castle. That's what we do.